we can give names to cells. So then later on, we can easily use them in formulas. For example, if I name B2 purchase price, which we can do over here, so we just type purchase price. You cannot have a space, and I'm using what is called the title notation, where the first letter of each word is a big letter. And then later on, if I need to use B2, I'm going to just use purchase price. Let's do the same for B3. I go here in the box and I just type down payment. Let's try the easy way. The easy way is to select the names you want to have and the cells you would like to have. And you can go to the Formulas tab, where we have Define Names group. And you can find here Create from Selection. And it asks what the names are. And the names are, in our case, in the left column. So you check left column. Let's see now what happens. So if we go to Name Manager, we have over here all the names with their values. And you can see how, for example, amount of loan, you can see that the name has underscores because it cannot have spaces. So let's go ahead and actually remove the down payment. And suppose we want to remove also monthly payment. Okay. And then we would like to use, in monthly payment, we would like to use the names. And it's very easy. So the first one is the rate, and we have the periodic rate calculated already in B10. So if you simply click on B10, you see how it puts periodic rate. So that's pretty cool. The next one should be number of payment periods. So if you want, you can hit F3 and you can choose number payment periods. Okay, but of course it's easier to just go to B9 over here. But you see also the name, amount, and loan. Let's create now a new sheet to keep things organized. We want to have the range names over here. I'm going to just type range name and then tab location. And I would like to paste all the names, and we can do that if we go to using formula and paste names and paste the list. Alright, so that's just to keep things organized, to know exactly where we have what we have.